Hi there, it's Will LeStrange from Kentuckiana Roofing Connection, and today I'm here with Tim Cooley. And we were having a conversation just this week about a lot of the roofing work that's going on up in Sellersburg, and Tim brought up some really interesting points from that conversation. Let's just go over some of those things that we were talking about, Tim.
Well, Will, Sellersburg was hit by a major hailstorm on May 10th, and
Yeah,
here it
Mother's
is.
Day.
It's September 12th now, and even though it's 4 months afterwards, there's still a lot of undetected damage in the area. Most damage is undetectable from the ground.
Sure.
And really, unless you have a trained eye and you have a roofing professional that can come out and really look at it and kind of and let someone know what's going on, they're not going to know about it. So,
sure. So there's a lot of roofs up there really undetected at the moment.
Right, exactly.
So I could be a homeowner, thought, well, maybe, we got the storm, but from where I stand, looks like we got away with it.
Yeah.
But the chances are winter's coming and there could be a problem.
Well, absolutely. And hail impacts the shingle and creates a bruise on the roof.
Yep,
okay.
Yep.
And that's not going to be visible from the ground. You got to have someone come out and take a look at it, and that's what we're here for. That's
Sure,
what we do.
sure. So, so you've got a special offer for the guys up in Sellersburg, for the homeowners.
Sure.
There. You've got a coupon there with a good deal offered for the folks. And if you want to get in touch with with Tim, then you can call 502 653 8111. That's 502 653 8111. Okay, thanks very much.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.